Hi everybody, it's Miss Penny from Marengo-Union Library and we are here to do a super fun craft. We are here to make an ornament, a fireplace ornament. So get your stuff ready and let's go. We're going to be using a hot glue gun, so that means big person supervision, yes. Hot glue guns can burn you, so I would like you to make sure that you are safe. So make sure you have a big person when you're using this. If you don't have or don't want to use a hot glue gun, tacky glue will work too. All right, it'll just take a little bit longer to dry. All right, so we are going to get started. All the things in your kit. I'm going to show you all the things in your kit, okay? You are going to have 8 popsicle sticks. You're going to have a Christmassy ribbon. Of course, you're going to have the directions. You're going to have a template. You're going to have a little piece of twine. You're going to have some orange and some yellow crepe paper. You're going to have, if I can pick them up, hold on, I got it, okay. Black, white, red, and brown paper. All this stuff will be in your kit. The things that you will need will be, the glue we talked about, and scissors. I forgot, there will be one more thing in your kit. There's going to be some brown paint, okay? And so you will need a paintbrush as well, all right? Brown paint, that's going to be in your kit too. Okay, so let's do this. First thing that I'm going to want you to do is get your hot glue gun ready, or your tacky glue, whatever you're using. We're going to start gluing these popsicle sticks together to make our fireplace, the outline of it, okay? In order to do that, I want you to take 4 of them. We'll start with 4, okay? We're going to take 2 of them, glue them together like this, and then take another 2 and do the same thing. So you will have 2 sets of 2 popsicle sticks glued together. When that's ready, I would like you to take 3 of them and glue 3 of them together the same way. All right, so then you're gonna have 3 popsicle sticks glued together. So you're gonna have 2, 2, and 3. And then you'll have a single one. The 2s are gonna be your side pieces. So you're gonna take your single one and you're gonna glue it right along the bottom like this. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. We'll glue it right along the bottom. It's gonna start holding our fireplace together. Okay, once you have that finished, so we have that together. I love hot glue because it dries so quickly. We're gonna take the 3-piece and glue it along the top. So go ahead and do that. Okay, how's yours coming along, everybody? I know I'm moving a little fast, but finished. When this part is all complete, you're gonna take your brown paint and paint this. This is your fireplace. Ta-da! All right, so paint that. It might take a couple of coats. That's totally up to you. How many coats you want to give it, okay? Now, if anybody knows Miss Penny, you know I have it pre-painted. Mine took 2 coats. I just put 2 coats, okay? And that's it. This is washable paint this time. That's probably good to know. All right, so then we start cutting all our pieces out. Excuse me. You're gonna use the template and you're just gonna start cutting these pieces. This will be black, stockings are red, the tops for your stockings are white, and then brown logs. So, yeah, somewhere, oh there it is, okay. There's one, I cut everything out except for the black piece. Everybody cuts their stuff out differently, but this is how I do it. I just wanted to show you. I just put my piece on top and then just cut. For me, that's easier than tracing because then I can just go like this, cut, cut, cut. And my black piece will be cut and I don't have to have traced anything. So I'm cutting, I'm cutting. All right. So, see? And my black piece is cut. And I have my, excuse me for being so up close with you, my red, my white, my brown, all done. We're gonna take the black piece and we're gonna glue it to the back of our fireplace, just to kind of close it in. All right, so go ahead and do that. And even for this part, you might not even need the hot glue. You could probably just use like other glue sticks. All right, so we have the back. Now we're just gonna start decorating. We're going to, this is our fire. So you don't really need these whole big pieces. You can make them as big or as little as you'd like. I'm just gonna probably cut mine into half a little bit. Well, yeah, I'm gonna make mine about this size. Actually, I'm gonna make my orange one just a tad smaller than the yellow. There we go. Okay, so my orange is a little bit smaller than my yellow. I'm gonna put it inside my orange like this, and then I'm just gonna kind of scrunch them. Okay, yeah, just a little bit of scrunching, yeah, woo. So it kind of looks like a fire. You could scrunch it as much or as little as you'd like. And then I'm just gonna glue that into my fireplace, right at the bottom where the fire usually is burning. Oh, I did not put that, I put that in my, never mind. Okay, so there we go. Got my fire burning. Yes. How's yours going? Okay, got my fire burning at the bottom. Okay. And then, well, so I have my logs. I'm gonna put my logs in there. You can put everything in pretty much however you'd like. I'm gonna go ahead and do just like they did and maybe kind of crisscross my logs. And I need more glue, more glue. All right, and then just kind of put those right. I'm gonna put mine on top of the fire because I didn't put it under the fire, obviously. There we go. Okay. There. All right. Got my logs, got my fire rolling. Yeah, I'm feeling toasty warm already. How about you? All right. So I have logs, I have a fire going, and now I'm just going to go ahead and hang some stockings. Now, in order to put my stockings together, I have to put the fluffy white part on the tops of them. Again, you probably use stick glue for this part if you have it. If you don't, make sure you're using adult supervision with these hot glue guns. You can get burnt really bad with these, and they blister up, and it's very painful. It's just bad. Okay. All right, so I have my little stockings made, and now I'm just gonna hang them at the top of my chimney, right here and right here. I'm gonna put mine kind of at like an angle, so that's how they'd be hanging at home. There we go. I love it. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay. All right, last thing. If you have your own ribbon or anything you want to use, go ahead. But this is just gonna kind of decorate the mantle a little bit. You can cut it to size or you can wrap it around, however you want to work that. I'm gonna kind of put mine probably at the top, so I will go ahead and put some glue up there. Put that up there. All right, and I'll go ahead and wrap mine around. I think that's probably the best option for me. You may do whatever you'd like, because this is your craft. You don't even have to decorate it this way if you don't want to. But there's my mantle. I'm actually loving, I'm like in love with this little thing. It's so cute. But I can't hang it yet because there's nothing to hang it with. We're gonna put a little string on the back, okay? I'm gonna put this face down. And our last thing in our kit is a little piece of string. Just take it, fold it in half, pretty even, tie the bottom part. If you need help, It's okay to ask. Oh, it's getting tangled instead of tying for me. There we go, I got it, okay. And now we have a loop. There we go, a loop. We're just gonna glue the knot on the back of your thing here. And then you will be able to hang this bad boy on your tree. So cute. Oh my gosh, I love this craft. All right, I'm gonna have to give it a minute to dry, but there you go. Look. And now I can hang a little fireplace ornament. Oh, I love this. And if you want, you could even put some little names on there. If you have more paper at home, you could even make more stockings. You can make more stockings. Put as many as you can fit there. Go for it. But that's it, guys. That's it. It's finished. It's complete. It's ready to be hung. I love it. Feel free to send me some pictures. Bring it in and show me. Whatever you want to do. However you want to work this. And most importantly, however you want to word that, we always should clean up, okay? There's going to be some paper to clean up. We're going to want to put the glue away. Wash the paintbrush. Take care of the paint. I mean, that's pretty much it for cleanup. It's not too bad. You guys can do this. I know you can. Have so much fun making this. It's one of my favorite crafts. I can't wait to see you guys again. See you later. Bye.